Welcome all. In this video, we are going to learn another example of unrestricted grammar. In last video, we have learned how to construct unrestricted grammar for language A raised to n, B raised to n, C raised to n. And today we are going to learn how to construct unrestricted grammar for language L is equal to A raised to n, W raised to n, A raised to n, where W is equal to either A or B. So basically this language contains which kind of string? That before W there will be A, after W there will be A, and this W can contain any symbols of A and B, and length of all these three must be same. So strings like A, let's say B, A, such string belong to the language, right? So this is A raised to n, this BAB is my W, and this is again A raised to n. So let us understand how to generate or how to write a unrestricted grammar for this language, right? So what I'm going to do, again I'm going to use non-terminal capital A to generate this A raised to n. I will use non-terminal capital B to generate this W raised to n, and I will use non-terminal again A raised to n. I will use non-terminal capital C to generate these A raised to n. So here we will use the same logic which we had used for language A raised to n, B raised to n, C raised to n to generate these non-terminals capital A, capital B, capital C in the equal amount, and we'll use the same productions to combine all A's together, combine B all together, and combine C all together, right? So let me copy that those productions from the grammar which we had constructed in the last video. So I'm copying it. So these productions will be as it is, right? S to FS1. Let me write, suppose we want to generate this string triple A BAB triple A, right? So what I will do, I will write S to FS1, right? From F will be as it is. From from S1, what we will generate? We will generate ABC S1, right? Now from S1 again I will generate ABC S1. From S1 again I will generate ABC. So here we want 3 A's, here we want 3 A's, and this W also contains 3 symbols. So that is why we need to generate 3A, B and C, which I have generated. Now using these 3 productions, we will be able to combine all A's together, all B's together, and all C's together, just in a same manner which we had used in the previous video, right? So I'm skipping that part. So assume that this all A's, B's and C's are together after applying repeatedly this set of productions. Now our actual logic for this language starts. What to do? Now what I will do, that of course I will replace this capital F capital A by small a, right? So this will be replaced by small a. So I have to add that production in my grammar. So this FA will be replaced by small a. Then what I have to do, again this small a capital A should be replaced by small a small a. I think if you remember what we did in the last video, then it will be easy for you to understand. And those who have directly read to this video, I recommend that you kindly go through the video of unrestricted grammar example 1. Then it will be easy for you to understand this. Okay. Next, again using this production, we'll be able to replace these small a capital A by small a small a, right? Now this B, we have used this non-terminal B to generate strings of W, right? And these strings of W can generate symbol either A or B. Remember, these strings of W can generate symbol either A or B. So from this non-terminal capital B, we should be able to generate either A or B. So my one possibility will be, I will replace this small a capital B by small a, in which we are replacing this capital B by small a, and another possibility is this small a capital B will be replaced by small a small b. In these we are replacing this capital B by small b, because ये हमने capital B W की strings को generate करने के लिए यूज किया, और W की string में या तो small a आ सकता है या small b आ सकता है, right? So I have used these two productions. So if we want to generate this string, which production we will use? We will use this small a capital B should be replaced by small a small b, that is this production. So this small a capital B will be replaced by small a small b, then capital B, capital B, capital C, capital C, capital C. अब हमने इस कैपिटल B को स्मॉल b से रिप्लेस किया, हम इस कैपिटल B को स्मॉल a से भी रिप्लेस कर सकते थे. सपोज इफ आई वांट टू जनरेट सम अदर स्ट्रिंग, राइट? तो उसके बाद वाले जो हमारे रूल्स होंगे वो भी इसी तरह से होंगे, दैट स्मॉल b कैपिटल B, दिस स्मॉल b कैपिटल B will be replaced by small b or small b capital B will be replaced by small b small a, right? So again here we want to generate this string, ट्रिपल ए सिंगल बी तक का जनरेट हो गया है. सो नाउ दिस स्मॉल बी कैपिटल बी शुड बी रिप्लेस बाय, अभी हमें यहाँ पर चाहिए बी ए, सो दिस स्मॉल बी कैपिटल बी शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय स्मॉल बी स्मॉल ए अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रूल. सो इट शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय स्मॉल बी स्मॉल ए. देन स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी, हमने उसके लिए जो दो प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबल थे वो दोनों लिख दिए. सो स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय, यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं वी वांट टू जनरेट स्ट्रिंग स्मॉल ए स्मॉल बी, सो दिस स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी should be replaced by small a small b, right? Now small b capital C, अब कैपिटल C की बदले हम क्या रख सकते हैं? we can put only a, because हमने कैपिटल C स्मॉल a को जनरेट करने के लिए यूज किया है. so what we will write, small b capital C should be replaced by small b small a. and another possibility is कि अगर मैं यहाँ पर इस नॉन टर्मिनल कैपिटल B के बदले मैं यहाँ पर अगर मान लो स्मॉल a लेता तो भी मुझे उससे स्मॉल ए कैपिटल सी, ये कंडीशन मेरे ग्रामर में मेरी स्ट्रिंग डेरिवेशन में आती. सो अगेन आई शुड रिप्लेस इट बाय स्मॉल ए स्मॉल ए. आर यू गेटिंग दिस पॉइंट, दैट दिस कैपिटल बी कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय इधर स्मॉल बी और स्मॉल ए, और उसके बाद अगर कैपिटल सी आता है देन वी शुड रिप्लेस इट बाय दिस थिंग्स, राइट? सो अभी मुझे यहाँ पर क्या चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट लास्ट में मुझे 3 ए चाहिए. सो दिस स्मॉल बी कैपिटल बी विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय स्मॉल बी स्मॉल ए. देन स्मॉल ए कैपिटल सी शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय स्मॉल ए. हमने उसके लिए जो प्रोडक्शन चाहिए था वो लिख दिया है. एंड स्मॉल ए कैपिटल सी अगेन शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय स्मॉल ए स्मॉल ए. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सी द स्ट्रिंग हैज बीन generated. So this is the perfect grammar which can generate the strings of this language, and this grammar is not generating any wrong string which is not in the language. ये एक पॉसिबल ग्रामर हो गया. हम इसे और अलग तरीके से भी जनरेट कर सकते हैं. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट माय अदर आंसर कैन बी. सो अगेन यहाँ तक का लॉजिक सेम है. टू जनरेट इक्वल नंबर ऑफ ए बी सी एंड यूजिंग स्वैपिंग वी वांट ऑल ए's टुगेदर, ऑल b's टुगेदर एंड ऑल c's टुगेदर. तो यहाँ तक का लॉजिक सेम है, तो यहाँ तक के प्रोडक्शन वैसे ही रहेंगे. लेकिन इसके बाद वाला जो लॉजिक है जो ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स दिख रहा है, तो उस लॉजिक को चेंज करने के लिए और एक रास्ता निकलते हैं. व्हाट वी कैन डू, वंस ऑल ए's, ऑल b's एंड ऑल c's हैज अपीयर्ड टुगेदर लाइक f triple a triple b triple c, we have learned in last video that we can from this form to reach to this form we will use these swapping productions repeatedly, right? Once we reach to this production, what I will do, I will replace this fa by another non-terminal, let's say A1. Then I will replace A1A by A1A1, right? Then again A1A will be replaced by A1A1, right? So let me write those productions. So FA will be replaced by A1, A1A will be replaced by A1A1, then A1B will be replaced by A1B1. So A1B1. So let me add that production also, that A1B will be replaced by A1B1. Then B1B should be replaced by B1B1. So here I will add that B1B should be replaced by B1B1. Again this B1B will be replaced by B1B1, which we have the production of it we have already written. Then B1C should be replaced by B1C should be replaced by B1C1, right? So this B1C should be replaced by B1C1. Then C1C should be replaced by C1C1. So let me add that production, that C1C should be replaced by C1C1. Again this C1C should be replaced by C1C1. So let me do that thing, that C1C1, right? Once we have these strings A1 A1 A1, B1 B1 B1, C1 C1 C1, what we will do, we'll replace simply A1 by small a, B1 by either small a or small b, and C1 by small a. That's it. So what production I have to add, A1 should be replaced by small a, B1 should be replaced by small a or small b, and C1 should be replaced by simply small a. So to generate this string, what I will do, I will simply put इस A1 के बदले मैं रख दूंगा small a, इस A1 के बदले रख दूंगा small a, इस A1 के बदले रख दूंगा small a, इस B1 के बदले मैं रख दूंगा small b, इस B1 के बदले small a, इस B1 के बदले small b, इस C1 के बदले again small a, C1 के बदले small a, C1 के बदले small a. Yes, this string has been generated. So this all these productions has been added to just simplify this different varieties of productions of this grammar. Ultimately both of these grammars are same. Both of these grammars are not, we can't say both of these grammars are same, but both of these grammars are equivalent. These both grammars are generating same set of strings. These both grammars are generating the same language, which is this one. I hope you understood this example about unrestricted grammar. Thank you.